Every second counts in trading, and the type of order you place can be the difference between profit and loss. So in today's very short video, we will take a look at the different order types you can use when you place a trade, whether you are trading stocks, crypto, or forex. So first of all, order types are basically how you buy or sell an asset. And there are basically 5 different ways to do this. First of all, we have the buy limit order, and we also have the sell limit order. For the buy limit, let's say that this right here is the price. Let's say that the asset is currently trading at $100. And what the buy limit basically do is that it makes you place a limit order at a certain point in the market. So if the market is currently trading at 100, you can, for example, place a buy limit order at, let's say, 90. So if you place a buy limit order at 90, what this basically means is that if the price goes down here towards 90, it hits 90 or goes below, that means that your order will be filled and you now bought the asset or bought the stock. The buy limit order makes it so that if the price is at 90 or below, your order will get filled. So you may of course wonder, what happens if we place a buy limit order at, for example, 110 while the market is trading at 100? Well, what you basically tell your broker then is that you want to buy this asset if the price is at 110 or lower. So you will actually, if you place a buy limit order at 110, you will actually buy the stock right away at 100. So let me show you guys how this works in the real market. Right now, as we're speaking, I'm using TradingView, and I'm using the TradingView paper trading function, which allows you to trade for fake money here and practice on TradingView. By the way, guys, I will make sure to leave a link to TradingView down in the top of the description of this video. But now let's take a look at the limit order here. So what we do is that we go up here to our order tab for the paper trading, and we want to make sure that we are on the buy tab. Then we go down here to where it says limit, for short limit order. And remember what the limit order does? It basically makes us place a buy order at a certain level. So let's say we place a buy order at 27,500. Right now, as we're speaking, you can see that we are trading at 27,530. But let's place this order right here. And you can see that our buy limit order appeared here on the chart. What this means is that when or if the price comes down to this level right here, 27,500, then we will buy the asset. But now I want to show you guys what happens if we set a buy limit order above the current price. So let's say that we place an order at 28,000 while the price is currently at 27,500. This will actually mean that we want to buy the price if it's at 28,000 or lower. So if we click buy right here, you can notice that we actually bought the asset right away, and we are currently in a position. The sell limit order is the exact same thing, but the opposite. Let's imagine we have a price here trading around $100, and what the sell limit order basically does is that it allows us to sell for a certain price. So if we place a sell limit here at 110, this basically means that when or if the price goes up here and reaches 110, we will sell the asset. So let's take a look at a real life example once again. We make sure that we are on the limit tab, but this time we go to sell. So let's, for example, say that we want to place a sell limit at 27,600. We type that in and we press sell. And as you can see, now our order type appeared here on the chart. This means that if or when the price goes up here to the sell limit, we will sell the asset. The next order types I want to talk about here is, first of all, the buy stop order and the sell stop order. These two order types should not be confused with a stop loss, because these two order types are basically the opposite of the buy limit and sell limit order. So let's start by taking a look at the buy stop order here to explain this. So let's once again say that we have the price trading here at, around, let's say once again, around $100. And when it comes to buy stop orders, what we basically do here is that we place an order that tells us to buy something only if the price goes up to that specific level. So we can, for example, place a buy stop order here at 110. And this will give an order to our broker that if the price goes up to 110, then we want to buy the asset. So this is pretty much the opposite of the buy limit. The same thing is true for the sell stop order here. Once again, let's imagine that the price is currently at 100. What the sell stop makes us do is that, let's say we place a sell stop down here at 90. This makes it so that only if the price goes down here to the 90 mark or below, that makes us sell the asset. All right, guys, so let's take a look at a real life example of the buy stop and sell stop order. So the first thing we want to do now is that we want to go here to where it says stop, the stop order type. So we press it right there, and let's start with the buy stop order. And remember, what the buy stop order makes us do is that we choose a level where when the price reaches this level, we buy the asset. So for example, right here, we can set our buy stop at 27,600. We go down here and we click buy to execute the trade. And then you can see that our buy stop order appeared here on the chart. This basically means that when and if the price goes up to this level, we will buy the asset. And the buy stop order, we can actually, let me show you, we go back here to the buy stop. And if you try to place a buy stop below where the price is currently, you can see right now we're trading at 27,540 around there. So if we try to place a buy stop order below this point, you can see that it says that the order price is not appropriate for this order type or direction. So you can see that you can only set the buy stop order above where the price is right now. Let me show you guys this example for the sell order as well. Let's actually delete this order type where we are right now. Remember, the sell order, in this case, we can actually choose the price 27,000 because the sell order makes it so that if the price goes down to a certain point, we sell the asset. So let's execute the sell stop order right here. And as you can see, now a new order appeared here on the chart. This means that if Bitcoin falls all the way down here to 27,000, we will sell Bitcoin. The last order type I want to talk about is the market order. And the market order is very simple. This basically means that we buy or sell the asset at the current price. And let me show you guys how this works in a real life example. This time we go to where it says market here, which stands for market order. And let's say we want to buy for where we are right now. You can see right now we are at 27,500. We can simply press buy. And as you can see, we bought at that price and we are right now in a trade. Let's say that we now want to sell the position at market. Then we basically go here to where it says sell and we press sell. Now we sold the position, and in this case we actually got a small loss. Alright guys, so now when you know about the different order types in trading, you are ready to learn more about trading strategies and technical analysis. I have tons of educational trading videos here on the channel, and the easiest way to check them out is just to press on this playlist right here.